Hey guys, it's Crypto here with a new video. Today we'll be taking a look at another way of mining cryptocurrencies through NiceHash. On the MinerStat mining video, a viewer requested a different way of mining, which also allows you to mine with your CPU, as not everyone has a beefy gaming PC to mine Ethereum or other ETH coins with. Now NiceHash allows you to mine using your GPU as well as your CPU, so you can set up your rig whichever way you like. But first we need to check out if mining on your PC is even profitable in your case. So you can Google NiceHash profitability calculator or click the link in the description, which I'll provide underneath the video, which will take you to this page. Now I advise you to enter your hardware manually, so click on this one, as the auto detection feature doesn't always work if you have certain antivirus or safety programs installed on your PC. Now you can right here enter the currency you use, which is the euro for me, and right next to it enter the electricity costs per kilowatt hour, which we'll use in the calculation. For me it's 0.2 euro 20 cents. And now underneath here you have to enter the devices you have in your PC or laptop. So for me these are the AMD RX 5700 8GB GPU and the Ryzen 2600 CPU. So I've put these in the calculator, and once you've entered your devices you're going to want to hit calculate. Now right here you can see how much you will generate in a day, the income, what the electricity costs are going to be, and the eventual profit you'll make. So as you can see, I will be making about 2.5 euros per day with a profit of 1.35, so about 40 euros or $50 per month, which, you know, might not seem like a lot, but it's like an extra $50 per month for basically doing nothing, just leaving your PC running. Now, I need to tell you, with my CPU, I'm actually losing money. So as you can see, I'm now earning 135. If I remove the CPU from this, you'll see I'll make more profit. The income will be a bit less, but the electricity cost will also be less. So at the end of the line, I'll make more profit, which would net me about 50 euros or $60 in a month in profit, which is very nice for doing nothing. So now you have an idea of how much you can expect to generate from mining, and you can start to set up your account in NiceHash. So you want to go to nicehash.com. I will put another link in the description for this one. You come to this page and you hit get started in the top right corner right here. Now as you can see, you come to this page, you enter all your information and create an account. So put the email, password, your country, accept the terms, and hit create account. Now I already have an account, so there's no need for me to make one. So I'll just jump straight to the account page and I'll log in. So once you're logged in, you come to the dashboard page of NiceHash. Here you can check on your rigs, see how much your devices have earned for you in the past, here in the recent activity tab. And you can also see the current mining profitability, if you have them running of course. And it shows you in real time what you're expected to make in the next 24 hours. Now note this is profit, so whichever payment for electricity you have put in, they'll use this in the calculation. If you just want to see the income you're generating, just put the electricity cost at 0. Then the profitability will be the amount of income you earn in Bitcoin. Now to set up your account and start mining, go to the rig manager, and here you click on download miner or add ASIC, this one, and then you select the NiceHash miner, which supports all modern AMD and NVIDIA GPUs and all CPUs. So basically you can use any hardware to mine. Now hit the download NiceHash miner, and then in the bottom of your screen, if you're using Chrome, a download will pop up. Wait for it to finish, and just follow all the steps in the installation process. Now I have already done this, of course. So we'll jump straight to the login page of the NiceHash miner. One last thing, just make sure you turn off your antivirus or put them on like low alert mode during the process, as the miner won't work when you have your antivirus running. So keep that in mind, and we'll just jump straight to the login page. Okay, so now I wasn't able to show you this live, so I just took a screenshot of the login page, but this is what you'll see after you finish the download and the setup process. So here you're just going to want to log in, enter your email, your password, hit login, and then it should jump to the dashboard of the page. So let's go there now. There's this. This is your dashboard. You can check your devices in this tab, and you can benchmark them here as well. So just select the devices you want to use. You can turn them off like this or turn them back on, which disables them. And if you want to start the benchmarking process, just hit this one, the play, and it will start the benchmark, and after it's done it will start mining automatically. Now here on the benchmark page you can see with which algorithm it mines the most coins, and it will automatically just pick the one that is the most profitable for you. So you don't need to manually select it, but if you are interested in seeing how other algorithms have performed for your system, then yeah, of course you can just select it as well. Then go back to the dashboard, just hit the play button, and it's going to start mining. Now please note, all of the coins you mine, they get turned into Bitcoin. So if you GPU mine Ethereum and CPU mine Monero, it all gets changed into Bitcoin in your account. Now there's no way to change this, unfortunately, but you can send the Bitcoin to your wallet or an exchange and swap it there for other crypto. Now if you don't have an exchange yet, I'll put the link to Binance in the description, as I personally use Binance. And yeah, that's about it for NiceHash. I hope this gave you an idea on how to mine not only on graphics cards, but also using your CPU. Now please like, subscribe if you enjoyed, and make sure to put any questions you might have in the comment section down below, so I can help you out on getting set up. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.